Hello, Tom from Every Step Calculus, EveryStepPhysics.com. I'm going to do a physics problem here. I'm going to do a series of these through all the variables that they give you in a problem for physics, with all the tricks they come up with to fool you and check whether you really are a thinker or a problem solver or whatever, and whether you know your algebra. So let's do this problem here. You type in physics in the home entry line here after you buy my programs for around $30. There's 350 programs that deal with everything from acceleration to collisions to what have you in physics problems. All programmed the same way. I show you rather than teach you on these problems, but you need to put down the formulas and stuff on your tests or homework, okay? So here we have physics into the entry line. Here we press enter. All the instructions are included, of course, when you buy my programs. We're going to scroll down here to springs. We could actually we could scroll up and get to the bottom of the alphabet. I'll show you here. Now we're at the bottom of the alphabet, and we're dealing with vectors and everything. We go up here to the S section, which is springs, among a million other things. Strains, sprockets, springs. Okay, here we go. And this is a vertical spring. We have the choice of horizontal or at an angle springs. And we're going to choose what's given. This happens to be I put this at the top of the alphabet here with these position function problems. So we're going to choose number 2. We can press number 2 in front of it or scroll down like I did here. Press enter. And we're going to enter the position function, okay? We're going to enter alpha. You have to press alpha before you enter anything in these entry lines here. And we're going to put in 2 sine of 3t, okay? So we're going to put the number 2 in here. We're going to press second to get to the sine. Actually, let's see if we can't put, let's go back and put times in here. Times second sine of 3 times t. Close up the parentheses. Press enter. The time given is at 4. Alpha 4. So now we check and see if it's correct. Here's a position function, 2 times sine of 3t, and the time is equal to 4. Okay, we could change that if we wanted, but we'll say it's okay. And so here's the position function here again. The first derivative is x prime of t, which is velocity in calculus. And that derivative is 6 times cosine of 3t. Okay, now at 4, and we put the time in at 4, turns out to be 5.0631 meters per second. That's velocity, okay? Which it asks for, finds the acceleration. Second derivative is x double prime of t equal to acceleration. Second derivative is equal to minus 18 sine times 3t. And of course, when we put the time in for 3, we get a 12, sine of 12. So, and we enter the time of 4 here, so the answer is 9.6583 meters per second squared. And then we go back to a new problem. That's your answer for your test or homework, okay? And you can change any of these depending upon the problem. They're all the same. But so anyways, go to my site, EveryStepPhysics.com, buy my programs and enjoy passing physics. Have a good one.